Guys, this is Rachel from Blue Jane Creations, and I just wanted to come on with a quick tip if you are into embossing or you also emboss multiple types of items. So if you do a lot of embossing, I think it would be a really good investment to invest in two pads. One that is just dedicated for stamping with cling stamps or wooden block stamps, and then one if you work with chipboard, little wooden embellishments, anything that would leave some kind of a residue behind. And the reason for this is, you can see here, this one I've been using on wooden embellishments, chipboard embellishments, and now there's like this residue left on the pad. So when I was coming back to try to use the same pad on a project where I wanted the embossing powder to remain clear, it wasn't. It was getting like a gray film in there because of this. So again, if you do a lot of embossing and on different things, it is a great investment to invest in two different pads. And I think you can see here, I've got one dedicated to embossing and the other one I labeled as stamping to remind me that this is the only one I need to use when I'm working with stamps that are clean. And then this is the one that is dedicated solely to working with wooden embellishments and the chipboards, like I said. So small quick tip to save you some frustration of your pad getting contaminated if you're working with multiple substances for embossing. These are not expensive. You can get one refill bottle, will cover both pads. So I happen to use Versamark, but you can do this with whatever brand. It doesn't matter. It's going to be the same principle whether you use Versamark or some other brand of embossing ink. So that is my quick tip for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I will definitely see you in the next video.